Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how do you create guess the number game using Python. Let's get started. We have to import random. Now we have to assign a variable number in which the computer is going to select a random number from 1 to 50. So random dot random 150. So this is going to select the random number from 1 to 50. Now we need to print out the instructions to play this game. So print welcome to guess the number game. So you have to guess the number which I am thinking. If your guess is more than 10 away from the number, I'll tell you cold. If your guess is within 10 numbers of my number, I'll tell you a warm. Sorry. If your guess is within 10 numbers of my number, I will tell you warm. Now, if your guess is closer than your recent guess, I'll tell you are extremely close. If your guess is closer than your recent guess, then I will tell you you are extremely close. Now we have to create a list wherein all the guesses will be stored. So I'll just name it as guess equals creating a list, and yeah, done. We have created a list over here. Now I'm going to be creating a while loop. So what this while loop does is it's going to run the loop until the game finishes, which is going to end when the user answers it correctly. So while true, now I'm going to ask and store player guesses in order to compare it to the number whatever the computer has selected. So for that, guesses equals int. I am thinking of a between 1 to 50. I'm thinking of a number between 1 to 50. Guess the number now. Guess the number now. And in the next line, I have to type guess dot append, and then in the bracket guesses. So this is going to store the guesses of the user in order. Now If a user makes any mistake while guessing the number, if it is out of the range, we have to do something for that. So I'll add an if statement over here. So if guesses not in range 1 comma 51, then I'm going to print out of range and then try again and then continue to keep the program running. Now we need to specify when the game ends. So I'm going to define a if statement over here. If guesses is equal to the number whatever the computer has guessed, then print out congratulations, you have guessed in only. Now I'm going to be typing len and in the brackets guess. So this will take in how many attempts the user has guessed the number and then print it out over here. Guesses. Now we need to break this. Okay. Now we need to give hints to the player. So for that, I need to add an if statement over here. If guesses or if guess equals so if guess is closer to the number whatever the computer has guessed, so I'm going to be typing here extremely close. Okay, now extremely close printer. Else I'm going to print out it's cold or colder. Now we need to check if the guess is within range of 10. So for that I'll add an else statement over here. As within the range of 10, I'm going to print warm. Else I'm going to print cold. So this should do it. Let's just run it and check it out. Okay, so we went wrong in the line number 15. Okay, so the mistake over here was I didn't add input to take the input from the user. This should do it. Now let me run it again. So welcome to guess the number game. You have to guess a number which I'm thinking. So if your guess is more than 10 away from the number, I'll tell you cold. If your guess is within 10 numbers of my number, I'll tell you warm. So if your guess is closer than your recent guess, I'll tell you you're extremely close. I'm thinking of a number between 1 to 15. Guess the number now. Okay. So let me type in 10. So it's worn. So now 15, extremely close. Okay, so probably I think it's 13.5 or 17.5. Let me just check it out. 17.5. Okay, so I need to add float over here to take the decimal numbers. Now let me run it. Guess the number now. So 15, it's cold. What about 25? It's extremely close. Okay, what about 27.5 or 27? It's again extremely close. 28, extremely close. Okay, 30. Yeah. So I've guessed the number in only 6 guesses. So this is how you run this game and play this. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.